The subject for this video is scheduling and recording a Teams meeting. Open up Outlook, go to your calendar, pick a date and time, enter a title, select the Teams meeting slider. That adds information to the meeting. Find someone you want to invite, enter a description, then click send. Oh yeah, check your notifications. Click send. Great, so you can see it's scheduled. So let's click on the invite and we'll start the meeting. So you can see, click here to join the meeting. And when you open up, maybe for the first time, you're going to get prompted to allow the screen to load, and you're going to get the option run in browser or run in full client. I usually just run in the full client. It's a richer user experience. I usually mute when I start, and there we go. So along the top, you have chat. You can chat with someone, share a document or a picture. The next is people. Who's in the meeting? You can see who's in the meeting and who you're waiting on. Hand up, like. You got breakout rooms. That's a topic of another video. And then you've got your mute. I don't have a camera enabled by default, so I don't have the option to do video. I tend to not use video because it requires more bandwidth on the network and can tend to slow things down. If you're in a corporate office, a great network, then give it a shot. It usually works fairly good. So there you see you can leave and you can end the meeting. You can also record and transcribe. So check with the privacy policy of your organization and your region before you do this. In some organizations, it may be disabled. So you can record the meeting and it'll save to your OneDrive. And then for those who didn't attend, you can share the recording with them. So if you're a trainer, you could also record courses and discussions and training material this way. There's a folder under your OneDrive called Teams Content. You'll find the recordings in there. So that concludes this video. I'm going to leave the meeting. And I hope you enjoyed. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.